I can hear the whispers as they fill the air, spilling secrets as if I'm supposed to care. Hurry to the windows, for the sun shall rise. Prepare the barricade to shield our eyes from the normalcy seeping into me. I think it's time to be something nobody meets, 'cause I've got a bad habit for sabotage. Bare fans in the broken closet, the junction. Observe it from fall, realize every night is a witness. My habit for sabotage. Broken fans in bare closet, the parting of teardrop falls. Cross the line that the eyes isn't wasting my time. Yay. They say it'll all be fine, though they say that I've lost my mind. Oh, they say this, they say that, no kidding, no take backs. While the earth is shaking, I'm meant to relax. Complacency creeping over me, I've forgotten how to breathe, 'cause I've got a bad habit for sabotage. Picture frames of a lost cosmo functions, branding to a halt. Realize every night is a witness. My habit for sabotage. Frames all the costly lost at functions, waiting for a nod, 'cause the line that the eyes isn't wasting my life. With the loss of something pure and holy, I'll devote my soul to the one and only. Habit for sabotage. Bare fans in the broken closet, the junction. Observe it from fall, realize every night is a witness. Fluttering from my eyes, overdosed on bad vibes. It's not anyone's fault but my own. Gotta get out the fear I cannot atone. Got a bad habit for sabotage. Broken fans in bare closet, the parting of teardrop falls. 'Cause the line that the eyes isn't wasting.